Hello, everyone. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today, let's talk about coffee, the drink that kickstarts mornings for millions around the world. Whether you're a fan of a bold espresso, a creamy latte, or a simple black cup, coffee is a beloved companion to our daily routines. It's more than just a beverage. It's a daily ritual, a comforting aroma, and a universal language of energy. The smell of freshly brewed coffee can instantly lift your spirits and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Coffee brings people together. Friends in cafes, families at breakfast, co-workers on a break. It's a reason to pause, connect, and share stories, no matter where you are in the world. Its journey from ancient Ethiopian forests to your cup is a story of discovery and tradition. For centuries, coffee has traveled across continents, shaping cultures and creating rituals that endure to this day. Today, coffee is the world's second most popular drink after water. From bustling city cafes to quiet countryside kitchens, it's enjoyed in countless ways, each with its own unique twist. But what makes this dark, aromatic brew so beloved? It's not just the taste. It's the warmth in your hands, the comfort in your heart, and the little moment of joy it brings with every sip. Coffee wakes us up, sharpens our minds, and gives us that extra push to start the day. It's the fuel behind early mornings, late-night study sessions, and creative breakthroughs. It's a small pleasure that can make a big difference. Sometimes, all it takes is a quiet moment with a cup of coffee to reset and recharge. In this video, we'll explore the world of coffee, its secrets, its science, and how to enjoy it for your health. We'll look at what makes coffee unique and how it can fit into a balanced lifestyle. We'll uncover how coffee energizes your body and mind, and why so many people rely on it to boost focus and motivation. And we'll share tips to make coffee a positive part of your routine, from brewing methods to healthy pairings and mindful habits. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and get ready to discover new ways to enjoy your daily cup. Let's dive into the ultimate brew and celebrate the magic of coffee together. What's really inside your coffee cup? It's more than just a morning ritual or a quick pick-me-up. Coffee is a fascinating blend of science, culture, and tradition, all poured into a single cup. But what exactly makes it so unique and beloved around the world? It all starts with a humble coffee bean, grown in warm, sun-drenched climates across the globe. From the misty mountains of Ethiopia to the lush plantations of Colombia, each region gives coffee its own distinct flavor and aroma. After harvesting, the beans are carefully roasted. This process transforms green raw beans into the rich, aromatic ones we recognize. Roasting unlocks hundreds of flavor compounds and brings out the health benefits we love, making every cup a unique experience. The star ingredient is caffeine, a natural stimulant that wakes up your brain by blocking the chemical adenosine, making you feel alert and focused. That's why so many people reach for coffee to jumpstart their day or power through an afternoon slump. But coffee is more than just caffeine. It's a social connector, a reason to gather with friends, and a comforting companion during quiet moments. It's also packed with antioxidants, your body's defenders against cell damage. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from the effects of stress, pollution, and aging. In fact, coffee is one of the biggest sources of antioxidants in the Western diet, often surpassing even fruits and vegetables for many people. Every sip delivers these protective compounds, helping you stay healthy from the inside out. It's like a tiny shield for your body, delivered in a delicious form. Coffee also contains small amounts of essential vitamins like B2, B3, and B5, as well as minerals such as manganese and potassium. These nutrients play important roles in keeping your body running smoothly. While a single cup won't meet all your daily needs, if you enjoy a few cups throughout the day, these nutrients can add up and contribute to your overall health. These nutrients help your body turn food into energy, support your metabolism, and keep your nervous system functioning at its best. That's why coffee can be a great companion before work, study, or even exercise. So, your daily coffee is more than just flavored water. It's a complex, carefully crafted drink that supports your well-being, both physically and mentally. Next time you take a sip, remember, you're not just enjoying a tasty beverage, you're fueling your body and mind, and connecting with a tradition that spans centuries. That's what makes coffee truly special. It's a drink that brings people together, energizes us, and offers a little boost of health with every cup. Let's dive deeper and see how this energy boost really works. Why do we crave coffee's energy boost? For millions of people around the world, that first sip of coffee is more than just a morning ritual. It's a signal to the brain that it's time to wake up and get moving. Caffeine, the magic ingredient in coffee, works by blocking adenosine, a chemical that makes you feel sleepy. But that's not all. It also increases the levels of dopamine and norepinephrine, two powerful brain chemicals that boost your alertness, motivation, and even your mood. It's like flipping a switch in your brain, turning grogginess into focus and transforming sluggish mornings into moments of clarity. Suddenly, you feel ready to take on the day. That's why coffee is the go-to for early mornings and afternoon slumps. It's the secret weapon for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a quick pick-me-up. Studies show coffee can even improve physical performance, helping you exercise longer and harder. Athletes often use it to get that extra edge before a big workout or competition. It fuels your muscles and sharpens your mind, making you more productive and focused. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or studying for exams. Whether you're tackling a challenging project, cramming for a test, or managing a jam-packed schedule, coffee helps you stay on track and power through your to-do list. Research proves coffee drinkers perform better on tasks that require attention, memory, and quick thinking. It's not just about feeling awake, it's about being at your best. But remember, this energy is borrowed, not created. When the effects wear off, you might feel even more tired than before. Overdoing it can lead to jitters, anxiety, or a sudden crash in energy. That's why it's important to use coffee as a tool, not a crutch. Pair your coffee with good sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular movement for the best results. Coffee works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. When used wisely, coffee is a fantastic partner for energy, focus, and achievement. It can help you celebrate small victories and stay motivated throughout the day. Enjoy the boost, but always know your limits. Listen to your body and find the balance that works for you. Next, let's see how coffee sharpens your mind and unlocks your creative potential. Ready? Coffee isn't just for waking up. It's a brain booster too. The same chemicals that energize you also improve memory, focus, and mood. Coffee helps you concentrate, making it easier to learn and solve problems. Studies show caffeine strengthens memories, helping you remember important information longer. It also lifts your mood by increasing dopamine, the pleasure chemical. That's why a coffee break can feel so rewarding. Regular coffee drinkers may even have a lower risk of depression. Over time, coffee could help protect your brain from diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Scientists believe caffeine and antioxidants work together to keep brain cells healthy. Coffee isn't a cure, but it's a simple habit that supports mental well-being. So your daily cup is doing more than you think. Let's look at coffee's other surprising health perks. Stay tuned. Coffee's benefits go beyond energy and focus. It's good for your heart too. New research shows moderate coffee drinking may lower the risk of heart problems. Antioxidants in coffee help reduce inflammation and keep blood vessels healthy. Studies link 2 to 3 cups a day with a lower risk of heart failure and stroke. The key is moderation and keeping your coffee simple. Skip the sugar and heavy cream. Too many extras can cancel out the benefits. Enjoy your coffee black or with a splash of milk for the healthiest results. Coffee can be part of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Next, let's see what else coffee can do for your body. Ready for more? Coffee's perks don't stop at your heart and brain. It helps protect your liver, lowering the risk of liver diseases and even liver cancer. Coffee can give your metabolism a small boost, helping you burn a few more calories each day. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, it can support a healthy diet and exercise routine. Coffee drinkers also have a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Each extra cup per day lowers the risk even more. Compounds in coffee help your body use insulin better and process sugar more effectively. And don't forget those antioxidants. They fight cell damage throughout your body, slowing aging and reducing disease risk. Some studies even show coffee drinkers live longer. All these benefits from a simple daily habit. But remember, coffee isn't a cure-all. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Now let's talk about the downsides, because even coffee has limits. Coffee is great, but too much can cause problems. Drinking coffee late in the day can disrupt your sleep, leaving you tired the next morning. Too much caffeine can make you feel jittery, anxious, or give you a racing heart. Everyone's sensitivity is different. Some feel these effects after 1 cup, others after several. Coffee's acidity can upset your stomach or cause heartburn, especially if you're sensitive. It also has a mild laxative effect, which can be uncomfortable for some. Regular heavy use can lead to caffeine dependence, Stop suddenly, and you might get headaches or feel irritable. Withdrawal symptoms can last a few days, but they're not dangerous. The key is moderation and listening to your body. Enjoy coffee, but don't overdo it. Next, let's find your perfect coffee balance. Here's how. How much coffee is too much? It depends on you. Genetics, body size, and health all play a role in how you handle caffeine. Some people process caffeine quickly, others slowly. A general guideline, up to 400 milligrams of caffeine a day, about 4 cups, is safe for most adults. But if you feel anxious or get stomach upset, that's your limit. Pregnant women and people with certain health conditions should be extra careful. Always check with your doctor. Listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. Don't drink coffee just out of habit. Ask yourself if you really need that next cup. Sometimes water or a walk is a better pick-me-up. Mindful coffee drinking helps you get the benefits without the downsides. Find your sweet spot and stick to it. Now, let's make your coffee habit even healthier. Want to make coffee a healthy part of your life? Here's how. Drink it black or with just a splash of milk. Skip the sugar and heavy cream. Enjoy coffee in the morning or early afternoon to avoid sleep problems. If you crave a warm drink at night, try herbal tea instead. Choose quality coffee. Fresh organic beans are best. Grind your beans just before brewing for the freshest taste and most antioxidants. Remember, coffee is a boost, not a substitute for sleep, good food, or exercise. Use coffee to enhance your healthy habits, not replace them. Be mindful of your intake and listen to your body. With smart choices, coffee can be a powerful ally for energy and well-being. So, savor your ultimate brew. Enjoy every cup, and be well.